Hello there, folks. Welcome to Applied Programming Tips and Tricks. We're about to drop the date. We're delving into the exciting world of Python data structures. But don't worry if you're new to programming. We're keeping things simple and fun. Think of data structures as the way we organize information in Python. It's like arranging your toys neatly in a box to find them easily. We will start with the basics, like lists and dictionaries. They're like your everyday tools. Then, we will explore other cool things like sets, stacks, and queues. Think of them as special gadgets in your coding toolbox. By the end of this journey, you'll be a Python pro, ready to tackle real-world problems with confidence. So, join us, and let's make coding as easy as playing with your favorite toys. Ready to dive in? Keep your eyes open because we're about to drop the date you have been waiting for. Stay tuned. Enjoying the video? Hit like. Found it helpful? Share it with friends. New here? Subscribe for more. Have thoughts or questions? Leave a comment below. Your engagement keeps us going. Thanks.